We established some time ago that this blueberry had suffered an attack from one of the most damaging critters in the world. It's called a weed eater, and the weed eater did some irreparable damage. So we also a few weeks ago sprayed post. We knew it was going to need another application. It did release some broadleaf weeds here a little bit, and I'm going to pull them up. Unfortunately, there are not many broadleaf herbicides that I can apply around fruits. I'm going to pull these weed eater deterrents out of my way here for a few minutes. Okay, you see we have some very healthy growth. I'm going to remove the dead branches. This is not the time to prune blueberries, but you can prune dead branches anytime. Here I can see the weed eater removed the outer layer of this branch. I have already loaded post herbicide in my sprayer, and I'm going to kill a pretty wide swath here because I don't want this Bermuda grass to mess with my blueberries. We've got this one ready to go. Hopefully it'll make it through the winter without any problems. Hopefully the Bermuda grass up close will die in a few days. I'm going to put the weed eater avoidance mechanism back into place. You should be through until next spring.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.